All right, so I just got this shower head off a Schnam. This is the water hookup. Goes onto the head and it goes onto your, where it comes out of the wall. Get some directions. Got some plumber's tape. Oh, it's all wrapped up in a nice, bag. Look at that. Ooh, that's nice. I think I don't know if it's aluminum or plastic. It feels really good though. This ball does not move very good. I think I have to loosen it here. Okay, yeah. So you loosen that, and then that'll give you the rotation on it. Let me slide this over a little bit so you guys can see. So you got to loosen this to get this to rotate, okay? Then you tighten it when you get it in the position you want it. And this is where your thing's going to set in, and this is going to hook here to that cable thing, or whatever you want to call it, and then it leads to the head. Let's take a look at the head. I mean, this is nice the way they pack it up. I like this. Nice little bag it comes in. Keeps it from getting all scratched. And then look, check it out. We even put it in another one. And that's it right there. Bam. Bob's your uncle. So we'll put some tape around there. We'll screw that on. And then hook this up onto the wall. And I want to see if there's a water restrictor in here. And you know what? I'm looking in there. I don't see a water restrictor. Let me see if I can see it. No. So that might be the secret to this. There's no water restrictor. So let's look in here and see if there's one. Let me pull this out of the bag. We'll check it out. So this comes with this little cap on it. And you got to get this off of here. You got to turn it because it's screwed on. And I'm looking in there and there's no water restrictor there either. And this is all metal, so that's cool. And then over here, let's take a look at this. And these things you have to unscrew. You follow me? You gotta hold the nut and then turn this. That comes off. And nothing in there either. So you don't want to lose these little things, so maybe keep this on until you're ready to install it. Make sure you don't lose there's a little washer inside there. So I'm just gonna keep that on there for now until I take it upstairs and install it. But that's what comes, this is nice. I mean, it's pretty long. I mean, look, it's like 6 feet. I mean, I put my arms, it's longer than 6 feet. It's like maybe 10 feet. Here we go, look. Right? That's pretty good. That's a lot of hose. So that's very hosable. And then bam, Bob's your uncle. I mean, we could put it on here right now if you wanted to, but I'm gonna save that for the installation when I put it up on the shower. Oh, look, there's the water restrictor. So they're giving you if you wanna put that in, you can, but I'm not gonna, because it squirts out better if you don't. I'm gonna put this in here so it doesn't get scratched. Yeah, and now we can go upstairs. I mean, if you don't know how to do it, I mean, it's pretty simple. It's not that big, it's just 2 things. But there it is right there. There's your erections. So take a look at them. And then there's some kind of certificate on this side. I don't know what that is. But it's pretty simple. It doesn't really show them. It does not really show them putting the plumber's tape on there, but we might just go ahead and do that anyway. All right. That's it. Yeah. Okay, so step A, we've got all of everything we need here. And I've got to remove this one right here. It's pretty easy to take off. I mean, this one's kind of gross, right? We'll let that sit down there. And then we're just going to turn it. Just like that. Pretty easy, huh? So this one is done. All right, so plumber's tape, right? All right, so I'm just gonna plumber's tape that up. I think that should do it. All right, so this goes on next. I just gotta screw it on. Just like that. I think I got it. There we go. Just got to tighten her down. Get on there good. All the way so it doesn't leak. I think that's good. That should work. Honey. That should work. Yeah?
Don't.
But,
Stop. It's
all right, so this is the one that goes up on here, the big nut. All right, so you're just going to turn it this way. Get it on there. I think you can hand tighten it. Let me grab this. Maybe I can get a better, even harder screw on it. There we go. Oh, look, I even turned it. All right, and so you want to make, this is the one that goes onto the head. And because this has to slide in that little cradle. So this is the one you want to put on here. Just get it on there good. Nice and tight, using 2 hands. Okay, now all we got to do is make sure that it doesn't leak, right? So let's pull back. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this on. There we go. And it has different squirt spots. You can do different types. Like a spray, more power, more power, more power, and that. So that's working good. I don't see any leaks. That's what we're looking for. So we're good. Turn it off. All right, I think that's going to work for it. All right, so this slides right in there. And now you can go ahead and take your shower. That's it right there. Bam. Bob's your uncle. Look how long that is. Now we just got to get rid of that old one. All right, if you like this video, check out my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.